Welcome to our Power BI Masterclass. We are a community of authors who share daily Power BI tutorials, tips and tricks, guides and much more. Subscribe to our channel to get our free content. Today, we will show you 7 Power BI features you should be using in all your reports. Ever felt stuck scrolling endlessly through a long slicer list in Power BI? Just click on your slicer, tap the 3 dots and select Search. Boom, a search bar appears right at the top. You can even hit Ctrl+F to quickly toggle it on or off. Works in both drop-downs and list slicers. Fast, easy, efficient. In search function you can use wildcards. Type *sh to find name ending with this letters. This works not just in slicers, but also in the filter pane using advanced filtering and choosing contains. Tired of messy data order? Use double sorting. Click on the first column header, then hold Shift and click on the second column header. Just like that, your table is sorted by both columns. This makes trends way easier to spot. Want to sort your chart by something not even visible in the visual? Here's how. Create your measure. Say, total revenue sunflower seeds, and add it to the tooltips of your visual. Then go to the visual menu and select Sort Axis. You'll now see your measure listed, even though it's not shown on the chart. Skip the slow clicks. You can jump to any report page instantly. Just right-click the arrow on the bottom left, and voila, a list of all report pages pops up. One click and you're there. Super handy for reports with many pages. Working with DAX? These shortcuts will make your life way easier. Use Ctrl+Shift+L to multi-select all occurrences of a variable. Change once and it updates everywhere. And for testing, select a line and press Ctrl+// to comment or uncomment it. Clean quick debugging. Messy measure list? Let's clean that up with measure tables and display folders. Create an empty table and name it something like under measures. The underscore keeps it at the top. Now drag your measures into this new table. Say goodbye to clutter. Organize further using display folders. Create subfolders using backslashes. Or even have the same measure appear in multiple folders with a semicolon. Now your model is clean, organized, and ready for action. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and share. Drop your questions in the comments. And until next time, may the Power BI be with you.